Okay, good day, learners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss the first quarter module titled Absolute Value of a Number. Okay, so first thing is we have to define what is an absolute value. Says here that absolute value of a number is the distance from 0 to any given number in a number line. This is the reason why the absolute value of a number is always positive. Take note of that, class. It's always positive. Its idea is of the distance and not of the direction. So that's the distance, not the direction. Okay, the symbol of use in this is, take a look at this, these two bars. If you notice, pag may makita kayong ganito, may dalawang bars, meaning that is an absolute, we're looking for an absolute value. Okay? And not a bracket, braces, or any parentheses. Okay? So, let's have this example. Example number 1. Find the absolute value of 5. Or, the symbol, dalawang bar, okay, then a number, then meaning that is an absolute value. So, we're looking for the absolute value. So, let's have the definition. So, we have a number line here. Tapos, sabi, from 0. So, tingnan natin. So, from 0 there, and sabi, from or to any given number in a number line. So, in our example, we're looking for the absolute value of 5. So, we're looking for the absolute value of that. Okay? Sabi dyan, it's the distance from the 0. Okay? So, you will just count, actually. Okay? So, from that, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, meaning, the distance from 0 to 5 is 5. That is why, sabi sa definition, it's always positive. So, napakasimple lang when we talk about absolute value. That's the positive value of the given number. Okay? So, from 0 to 5, the distance 0 to 5. So, the absolute value is 5. So, that is 5 units from the 0. Thus, the absolute value of 5 is equal to 5. Let's have another example. Let's say, find the sum of negative 4 or the absolute value of negative 4 and the absolute value of 3. So, we have to find the sum. Okay? So, first is we have to take a number line. So, later on, pag familiar na kayo sa absolute value, hindi nyo na kailangan yung number line. This number line here 4, para mas maintindihan natin according to definition, right? So, again, from 0, then first, hanapin muna natin yung absolute value of each given. So, first is we'll have to find the absolute value of negative 4. So, from 0 to a given number line, which is negative 4. So, how many units from 0 to negative 4? Then, we know that that is 4 units. So, meaning, the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Okay? So, that is from 0 again. We have to find the absolute value of 3. So, from 0 to 3, that is 3 units. So, sa ngayon, alam na natin what's the absolute value of negative 4 and what's the absolute value of 3. So, the problem states that we have to find the sum of these two numbers or find the sum of these two absolute values. Okay? So, thus, negative 4, absolute value of negative 4 plus absolute value of 3 is equal to 7. So, from that, learners, pag hinahanapan tayo ng absolute value, that is just simply equal to the positive value of that certain given. Just like negative 4. So, we're looking for the absolute value of negative 4. Automatic, ang absolute value niyan is 4. Okay? So meaning that is 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. Okay? Ganyan lang ang ibig sabihin ng absolute value. Okay? So find the positive corresponding of that given number. Okay? So this is for absolute value. Thank you for watching. God bless.